Myself and my colleague Pete Higgins want to talk about learning for sustainability, and we're going to do this in a series of 3 short lectures. But before I describe the content of these lectures, I want to look at learning for sustainability and define it in terms of concepts that you may be more familiar with, concepts such as environmental education and education for sustainable development. So environmental education, well, this can be assumed as holding a more traditional approach, and it mainly is concerned with the ecological agenda, whereas education for sustainable development takes a more holistic approach, and it takes into account issues related to politics, economy, society, and cultural issues too. And learning for sustainability seems to fit most closely with that approach. So learning for sustainability emphasises 2 things. First, this notion of continuous engagement across all spheres of education, both formal and non-formal. And second, this idea of capacity building, where we see education as a way of enabling ourselves to feel able to take positive action, both individually and collectively. So returning to the 3 lectures then, the first lecture looks at learning for sustainability and some of the ideas that underpin this in a bit more detail. The second looks at learning for sustainability in practice. So how would we work with this approach? And the third looks at learning for sustainability in Scotland and how it's embedded across our educational system.